A major fact that I learned today was that destiny is in phases. Destiny is in phases, and life is in phases. Because you don't have a phone like this today doesn't make you less than a person that has a phone like this. Because you don't have a phone like this doesn't make you inferior to a person with a phone like this. Because you have a phone like this but you don't have an iPad, it doesn't make you inferior to somebody with an iPad. Life is in phases, from step to step. I learned that you ought to cut your clothes according to your cloth. There's no need in borrowing cloth to cut your clothes and to sew your clothes, because at the end of the day, you borrowed. Therefore, you have to pay back. I believe it makes sense to live according to your means, and it makes sense to live according to your present size. Because you are currently sharing a room with someone, it doesn't mean you will not own your own house tomorrow. Because you are, not affording maybe 3 meals, you're not able to eat 3 times a day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It doesn't mean that you won't get to that level. And never despise yourself. Never look down on yourself. Oh, look at them up there, look at me down here. No, don't let that cross your mind. I have to let you know that your present state is not your permanent state. You are a work in progress. Your future is bright and you can get there. You may have been born into poverty. You may have come into this world. You were born into a family that was poor, perhaps. Or you were born with a sickness. You were maybe perhaps born into a failing situation. But that doesn't define who you are. It doesn't matter what you came into this world with, how you came, or who you came through. You can come out of that mud and whatever that situation or challenge is in your life. If you can see your way out of that challenge, you can come out. If you can work your way out of that challenge, you can come out. I want to challenge you this week and encourage you, because where you look determines where you go. Many people are looking downwards. They're headed down. So ultimately, everything's just going down. Many people are looking back. And if you're looking back, you're going back. Have you ever seen someone going forward that looks back? No, it doesn't happen. If you're looking backwards, you're going backwards. I want to challenge you this week to keep looking forward. Keep looking forwards and upwards. Keep looking forwards and upwards. My future is bright. I'm going to get there. Lord, you are my strength. Lord, you are my helper. My future is bright. I'm going to get there. And you'll get there. You'll get there. Approach every day with a possibility mentality and a progressive mentality. Yesterday is gone. Today has come. Today will be better than yesterday. Tomorrow will be better than today. I believe it. This year will be better than last year. This month will be better than last month. This is the way to approach life. Never look down on yourself. Because you don't have it today, it doesn't mean you'll never have it. You can have it. You can have everything you want in life. Just appreciate where you are today. Work hard where you are today. And you are one of the candidates to go forward. God bless you and have a great week.